Hello guys, how are you? I told you that I had to run away because it will start raining and it started raining very heavily and everything is very cool. Let me talk a little bit. Things are very, things have cleansed. Like rainfall is like cleansing. It's like it cleanses everything, cleans everything, the atmosphere and everything. Plants are happy, the birds are happy, the animals are happy, the humans are happy, getting relief from the scorching heat. So then I thought of doing these readings outside on my terrace. Now this is a reading. Only two signs were left. That is the Cancer and the Cancer was already done. That is the Scorpio and the Pisces. Let's begin with the signs of Pisces and Scorpio. Let's see what message is there for the Pisces, and then we'll do Scorpio. Alright, now this is for the Pisces collective. What message is for the Pisces? There are two cards which came out. Actually, people are very conscious when they are on camera, but actually I'm not so conscious on the camera. I want to look what I am, as I am, how much old I am. I don't bother about all that. I'm bothered about as to I give you the correct guidance. I'm only here to give you the guidance for the tarot. If you have faith in tarot, then it's very nice. Otherwise, I'm not so conscious about my age or my looks or anything. Okay, so the first card for the Pisces is the King of Cups in the reverse, which comes in the history. That means in the past, which is already gone by. Now the King of Cups in the reverse means that you were actually offering love to someone, but it was not reciprocated, and this is what really bothered you. This could be you because Pisces. This is a Pisces only. This is a Pisces energy. That is the King of Cups. This is Pisces energy, and you offered love to somebody, or somebody might have offered love to you, but you declined. Okay, now what do we have in the recent events? We have the Queen of Wands. In the recent events, we have the Queen of Wands, a Leo energy or a fire energy, and I think so. This person is surfacing in your life. That means this person is very fiery. Maybe you've offered love to her. She seems to be an earth sign, could be an earth or a fire sign also. And then in the present, you have the Page of Cups in the reverse. Page of Cups in the reverse means that you are again, you could be you offered love by someone again with the water sign. This is Page of Cups in the reverse, which is the water sign, and it could be a water sign. So either you offered love to somebody or somebody else offered love to you, but actually this was also not reciprocated. I think this is more of an emotional kind of a reading for you Pisces, as it is you people are very emotional. And then we have the near future. In the near future, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles seems that things are moving very slowly. Whatever it could be regarding your work or your relationships, the things are moving very slowly. Actually, they are moving. They are literally standing. Things seem to be stuck up. They are not moving as fast as you want them to move. And in the far future, you have the Queen of Cups again. My God. The Queen of Cups again. So there are two queens. There's this one Queen of Wands, and there's this Leo energy, and then again there's water energy. That water energy, that is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Now this is another woman. She could be offering you love. She could be your mother, offering you motherly love, or your wife, or your sister. Anybody who wants to offer love to you, who wants to offer care for you. So actually, basically, Pisces, this seems to be a very emotional reading, and it seems that your emotions are very high at this time, at this new moon time. So let's see what the new moon has for you. Let's see what the new moon has for you. What message does it? Because I'm very excited about your. This is a very different reading I've got from the rest of the zodiac signs, Pisces, and this is absolutely the Pisces reading, and nobody can deny that this is not a Pisces reading. This is absolutely a Pisces reading, and I don't know. This is a very affectionate kind of reading. Let's see the moon reading for you. Okay. So the moon message is giving you expect a powerful change. Oh my God. The reading for this new moon is expect a powerful change. So this seems to be a reading where everybody seems to be very quietly watching. I feel what I get from your reading, Pisces, that you all are quietly sitting and watching for the events to unfold before you. You want to see how the events are unfolding before you. So the new moon reading is that you have to expect a very powerful change in your life. A very powerful change is coming in your life. So I think there is something you people are watching, sitting and watching and waiting for the, things to unfold, for the future to unfold themselves. So this is a typical, a typical moon, a typical Pisces reading, and it's a very interesting reading. It is very different from the rest I got. So absolutely. So now let's see, tarot. What is your? Now we come to the. Now this is your reading, Pisces. Now this is your reading for Scorpions. This is your full new moon reading. Sorry, excuse me. This is your full moon reading. Let's see for July 9. Let's see what we have for you, my Scorpios. What is there? But I'm totally, taken by surprise by the reading of the Pisces, where there are so many characters in the reading and nobody's saying anything to anyone and just waiting for the things to unfold themselves. So all the best, all the best, Pisces, that whatever change comes into your life is all good for you. And I think this is all I can say. All the best. Let's see what we have for our Scorpios. Okay, Scorpios, one. Okay, the first card, Scorpios, the first card is your Ace of Cups, upright. So Scorpios, in the past, you had a brand new love. You had a brand new love offered to you, given to you, or you definitely were had a love offering to you. So there was a brand new beginning in love for you. In the recent events, you are, very happy, very patiently. You are weighing things, and you are mixing things. You are trying to understand about this new love which you got. You are trying to understand the new love which you got, and you are patiently enjoying it, viewing it, reviewing it. My God, you have another Ten of Cups, which is a fabulous card. Ten of Cups, which means that my Scorpions, you are in a relationship, and this is a relationship which can give you extreme happiness, which is rather giving you, it is in the present, it's giving you an extreme happiness. And you can, if you are unmarried, then you can definitely think of marrying this person, having a family with them. So you are absolutely in bliss, I can say this. Then comes the Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. The Nine of Pentacles in the reverse means that you are a little bit apprehensive about your future. But I don't think so. It is so negative. It is, your future is very bright. You think that you need some sort of support or something, whether this person is the right one or not, or whether he is going to provide, whether he is good enough for you or not. But definitely no, this person seems to be good enough for you, because in the far future you have the Star card, which is a future card also. One of the best cards in the tarot decks. It is a card of hope. It is a card of love. It is a card of, everything you can ask for. So the future is very bright, Scorpios. So this is the reading for your full moon. A very good, fabulous, happy reading for you, Scorpions. Now let's see what you have for your moon. What is the moon suggesting you all? Alright, so the new moon reading for the Scorpions, for my lovely Scorpions, is a time to give rather than take. This is your full moon reading, a time to give rather than take. Whatever you are doubting, it is better that you analyze the situation. You should try to give more to the person rather than expecting that yes, you should get this from the person, you should get that from the person. No, you should rather give rather than take. So this is your full moon, sorry, the new moon reading of the Scorpions. So I hope you like my content, you like my readings. I hope they resonate with you. Please resonate whatever resonates with you. It's not like it has to resonate from point A to point B. Or point C. There are point B also. So you take whatever resonates with you. So we'll meet again in the next cycle. Till then, tata, goodbye.